Microsoft Teams. Teams.Microsoft operation failed with unexpected error. I tried using Microsoft Teams, but it says operation failed with unexpected error. What's really going on? Why this error is occurring? I can't able to use my Microsoft Teams. When exactly the Microsoft Teams will be back up and running? Today in this video, I'll be showing you all the details right from the Microsoft Teams Twitter official status page and Microsoft Teams page as well. Alright, first thing first guys, Microsoft Teams, is it down? Is servers down? Or my account hacked? Or whatever kind of a thing going on? That's a very important issue. So first thing first, let me show you right here onto the Twitter. Check this out guys. Just few minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, operation failed with unexpected error. Teams account online with different computer results in page that says operation failed with unexpected error. Can't able to do meeting. Microsoft Teams not working. Microsoft Teams in browser showing this error, operation failed with unexpected error. Teams cleaning their rooms, operation failed with unexpected error. So guys, there are tons and tons of people reporting that. So basically their workflow is kind of a stopped. Meeting conference is a very important thing, and in the middle of that, operation failed with unexpected error, which is not expected. So there are many people reporting Teams is down for everyone, right? Well, let me show the latest update guys. Is that the case? Is it down for you or me? Alright, so here you can see, oh my goodness guys, check this out. Down detector reporting Microsoft Teams having some big issue. 4153 outage report. Oh my goodness, that's a serious kind of a thing. Now how to solve this issue? Like our workflow is entirely stopped, so what we can really do? Well, let me show you the latest update from Microsoft Teams Twitter official page. Well, let me show you the latest tweet as of June 16. This is the latest tweet. So happy Father's Day, nothing related. Okay, then right after that, no tweet. Okay, let me check out other page that Microsoft 365 has. So Microsoft 365, let's check it out. Well, as far as I can see, well, they have got no update regarding the outage situation. Okay, we got the update right over here in the Microsoft 365 status. This is the Microsoft update. This is the latest update providing status, and here you can see guys, just 16 hours ago they have been working onto this problem where they have been acknowledging one particular issue into the administration center regarding Microsoft 365. And then right after that guys, let me show you, this is the latest tweet as of 1 hours ago. They said Microsoft 365 status, we are investigating an issue where some users may be unable to access their Microsoft Teams using web browsers. So this is the problem they have acknowledged. People can't able to use Microsoft Teams using web browsers. Further details can be found under the TM612617 under the admin center. So this is the thing guys, many people are reporting this exact problem, and like this is a serious kind of a situation going on. And here is the thing, many people are reporting this issue, so don't worry about it. Your account is not hacked, blocked, and it's a global kind of a issue. For those who are using the browsers, this error is occurring to those group of people, so you can probably try using Microsoft Teams application if that is possible, and do let me know if that works out for you. And once I get any latest details guys, I will keep you up to date. So guys, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.